The HTA135 pole pruner is a powerful professional cordless machine that's particularly useful in orchards, grounds maintenance and arboriculture. The rigid shaft can be extended between 285 and 405 centimetres, which means extensive work can be performed from the ground. With a clear line of sight to the gearhead, it can be positioned exactly where you need it for precise cutting. It's part of the AP system of cordless tools and has a battery slot in the tool, which can be used with any of our AP batteries, although it can also be used with our AR backpack batteries and an adapter. It has a light and robust magnesium gearhead, which is the same as the one used in the petrol HT135 pole pruner, and it has a cleanable air filter for a long service life, which guarantees optimal motor cooling. The HTA135 comes standard with a 3/8 P chain, but can also be retrofitted with a 1/4 P chain, both providing excellent and precise cutting performance. It's also set up to be easily used with our new Stihl smart connectors, designed for tools with this slot. This way the connector fits neatly into the tool housing. The HTA135 comes with a useful handle and foot stand that helps protect it from impact with the ground. As with almost all tools in the AP system, it can be used in the rain, which is very useful in our unpredictable British climate. To find out more, visit your nearest Stihl approved dealer.